Hi friends, welcome. Today's we see famous bridges in India. Bridge. A bridge is a structure made of metal or concrete that connects one end to another end, be it roadways or railways. As the basic that might sound, bridges have helped. Number 1. Vidyasagar Setu Bridge, Kolkata. Located in Kolkata, Vidyasagar Setu is another bridge that passes over the Hooghly River, and this is also called the second Hooghly Bridge. The bridge was opened for public use in 1992 and is named after Pandit Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar, a farmer in the area of education. The Vidyasagar Setu is one of the longest cable-stayed bridge in India. It has 6 lanes and a capacity of 85,000 vehicles. The bridge is sight worth seeing when it lights up and during the night time. Number 2. Howrah Bridge in Kolkata. When one thinks of Kolkata, the image of the Howrah Bridge pops into one's head. Howrah Bridge is the most famous landmark of Kolkata, located over the Hooghly River. This iconic bridge in India dates back to 1943. It is over the river and cantilever bridge, that is. It is a supported only on the ends. It took 6 years to complete this bridge, and in it is constructed not a single bolt or nut was used in the Tata Iron and Steel Company provided the steel for this. Each day, thousands of vehicles and pedestrians use the bridge. Today, the British era bridge still stands tall and has stood the test of time. Number 3. Bandra Worli Sea Link Bridges, Mumbai. Located in Mumbai, Bandra Worli Sea Links is a cable stayed bridge. That means it's entirely supported by cables, which run from the tower to the base of bridge. This bridge, which runs over Mahima Bay, is considered one of the most stunning bridges in India. After many obstacles regarding the location of the bridge and the strain it would cause on the marine life, the bridge connects the western and southern parts of Mumbai and has contributed to reducing the travel time from an hour to just 10 to 15 minutes. It is indeed an engineering marvel. Number 4. Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge in Bihar. Mahatma Gandhi Setu is one of the longest river bridges in India and it runs over the Gangas. The bridge was opened in 1982 and connects the state's capital, Patna and Hajipur. The 5.75 km long bridge was constructed by Gammon India Limited and it took them 10 years to complete this marvel. This is an integral part of Bihar as thousands of vehicles and pedestrians use this bridge on a daily basis. It is considered an engineering marvel, and the India Post has even launched a postage stamp to commemorate to it. Number 5. Pamban Bridge, Tamil Nadu. Pamban Bridge in Tamil Nadu is India's first sea bridge and was opened in 1914. It served as the only link between the island Rameswaram and mainland until 1988, when a road bridge was also constructed. German engineer Scherzer designed the central part of the Pamban railway bridge, which opens up and it allows ferries to pass through. It is popularly known as the Scherzer span. It took over a decade to construct this bridge, and even after witnessing the damage as it is lies in a cyclone prone. It is stands tall. Number 6. Coronation Bridge, Darjeeling. Located in Siliguri in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Coronation Bridge is a beautiful bridge surrounded by lush green forest. The bridge runs over the Teesta River and is named after the King George IV and Queen Elizabeth coronation to the throne. The architecture of the bridge is truly unique and it is visited by people as it is offers a spectacular view. Even the pink color of the bridge makes it stand apart from its surroundings. The bridge is known among the locals as the Bagpul due to the tiger states located at the two ends of the bridge. Number 7. Golden Bridge in Gujarat. Located in Gujarat, the Golden Bridge is an iconic British era bridge. It connects Ankleshwar to Bowrich. It is constructed over the Narmadas River. The bridge was built in 1881 by the British Raj to ensure smooth flow of trade and access to the officials situated in the fort city of Mumbai. The bridge is unnamed so due to its massive cost of construction. The bridge is an integral part of Gujarat history and even today. It is a sight to behold as the Narmada's water gushes under the steel structure. It is one of the bridges in India that the architecture marvel. Number 8. Godavari Arc Bridge in Andhra Pradesh. Opened in 1997, Godavari Arc Bridge is an engineering marvel. The bridge is the longest arc bridge in the Asia, which is constructed using prestressed concrete. It runs over the Godavari River and it is located in the city of Rajmundry. The bridge is a railroad bridge and it spread across an area of 320 feet. Being situated in a cyclone area, it has been designed to withstand cyclonic storms. Number 9. Jadu Kata Bridge in Meghalaya. Spanning over the Kinsi River, Jadukota Bridge is stunning piece of engineering. It is located in Ranikar in the West Kashi Hills and surrounded by green forest. It is a cantilever bridge which is connected only on the ends. The bridge is surely one of the most beautiful bridge in India. Number 10. Dola Sadia Bridge, Assam. Spanning over the Loit River over 9 km, Dola Sadia Bridge is the longest river bridge in India. It connects the states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The bridge was completed and opened up in 2017. The bridge is considered very important as it is will reduce the travel time between the two states from 6 hours to just 1 hour. It has been constructed to bear the weight of battle tanks to help facilitate their movement for border protection in Arunachal Pradesh. The Dola Sadia bridge was built at a considerable cost is an asset to be the nation. Number 11. Bogibeel Bridge. Bogibeel Bridge in the northeastern state of Assam is the longest road cum railway bridge. It is second longest bridge over the mighty Brahmaputra river. Bougainville Bridge, inaugurated in December 2018, the total length of this steel truss bridge is 4.94 km and the longest span 125 meter. The bridges mentioned above, whether railroad bridges or road bridges, new or old, are true engineering marvels.